How are you guys? Are you okay?
Yeah,
Fine.
it's fine.
Very okay, bro.
That's amazing to be with you again. I have to say sorry guys for today. I think I have not good condition ya. I'm a bit unwell today. So sorry, but
menjaga sikap.
but
Anda
it's
bisa
okay ya.
mencoba melihat
Sorry, but it's okay for today. You can do a presentation, everyone. You can present about your unique tips or trick. Have you made it right? Teman-teman sudah membuatnya kan ya, teman-teman? Sudah siap ya untuk presentasi tentang tips atau trik yang unik?
Yes, already.
Already, that's good. Okay, so today you have to present it everybody, yeah. I have to say sorry about my background, yeah, guys, because I think if I my background, it will be transparent and everything will be bad. So sorry for that, but yeah, at least my voice is clear, ya. Suara saya jelas kan ya, teman-teman? Is it clear?
Yes,
Clear.
clear.
Good. Okay, today is the last meeting that we have. Enjoy everything. And again, I will tell you about what should we do today. Today, we are going to do presentation about tips and trick that's unique. Hari ini teman-teman akan mempresentasikan tips atau trik yang unik ya. Dan kemarin sudah saya sampaikan, so you have to meet it, and then today you have to present it. So are you ready, partners? I hope you are in the ready condition ya for today. Raise your hand guys, diangkat tangannya siapapun itu yang sudah siap untuk mempresentasikan tips atau trik yang unik. Come on, I will go to the ones that raise hand first. Okay. The last day, bro. Yeah, today's the last day ya. The last day that we have. Bro Aji ya, I will go to Bro Aji Surya. Hello.
Hello.
Bro, ready for presenting your tips?
Yes.
Ready
I
ya?
think yes. Yes,
Okay.
ready.
Time is yours, bro, and good luck. Aji Surya.
Okay, hello guys. My name Aji. Today I'm going to tell you about how to wake up early. I have four tips and trick for you. The first is make a sleep schedule. You can make sleep schedule, for example, is you sleep at 9 p.m. until 4 or 5 a.m. and you should have uh you should have schedule before your sleep. And the second is set an alarm. You can set alarm, for example, are 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. And then the third is not stay up late, because if you stay up late, you can you can have a sleep optimally. And the fourth is not eat before your sleep, because if you eat before you sleep, you have a similarity explain like number third tips and trick. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, bro Aji ya. How to wake up early. Bro, do you do your tips, to be honest,
Yes,
every single day?
yes, because I must wake up at 4 a.m.
Okay. What about you said that no stay up, right? By the way, what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Oh, okay. Is it your routine at 10 or sometimes?
Yes, this is my routine.
Good, bro. That's nice. Raji, thank you. Yeah, I think that's
Yes.
good from you. But the last, my correction is about when you said about that's all for me, bukan for me, tapi from me ya, from
Oh
me.
yeah.
Okay. Overall,
Thank you.
keseluruhan ya, that's very good from you. Thank you, Bro Haji. Thank you so much.
Yes, you're
And
welcome.
the next one, yeah, I move to Sis Naya as the second participant. Hello, Sis Naya.
Hey, already. Hi.
Okay.
Hello, bro.
Ready, Sis Naya?
Yes, okay. I'm tired, best.
Good.
Okay. Hi, I'm Naya. Today I'm going to tell you how to caring for elderly stroke survivor at home. The first time, support physical recovery. Help them move safely with aids like scans, wheelchairs, or handrail depending on their condition. Two, physical therapy. Include exercise recommended by a physiotherapist to improve strength and mobility. Then, if they are bedridden, change their position every 2 or 3 hours and use cushions or special mattress. 3. Ensure proper nutrition and hydration with provide a healthy diet low in salt, sugar, saturated fats, and given more drinks water. And 4. Monitor the development of blood pressure and blood sugar twice a day in the morning and evening. 5. Always pay attention to their daily medication schedule. 6. Provide emotion support to stroke sufferers by communicating every day so they don't feel lonely. That's all from me. Thanks. Let's go.
Thank you, Sis Naya. Yeah, it's good from you. Okay, that's there is mobility and then others, yeah. Sis Naya, I have a question.
Yes.
Why do you choose these tips? Do you have any?
Because already I'm work. It's my job.
Okay. So you understand well about this.
Yeah, because already I'm caring grandfather at home.
Hmm.
Then we all stay in here to our just 2 person only because already cleaning, already carrying him, already me too, like that.
Okay. Good. So means that you understand well, yeah, about this one.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sis Naya.
Yes.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Some
Okay.
correction, beberapa koreksian.
Yeah.
Tadi pertama bilangnya first apa one tadi, Sis Naya?
The one already
Nah,
forget.
kalau kalau ada urutan kita bisa bilang pakai first ya, pertama, second, kedua, third, ketiga, nah dan seterusnya ya. Oke?
Okay.
Oke. Nah, for
Thank
other ones too ya, bagi teman-teman yang lain juga. Jadi kalau kita ada urutan nih, urutan apapun termasuk ini kan ada step, sorry, tips ya. Ada tips yang pertama, kedua, ketiga. Nah, itu pakainya first, second, third, fourth, dan seterusnya. Kemudian cara baca untuk yang P ya, pay attention tadi ya, bukan pay attention tapi pay attention. Oke.
you.
Kalau pie itu bacanya ini nih. Nah, ini pie ya, pie. Nah, tapi kalau yang ini pay attention. Sama every day, bukan every day, tapi every day ya, every day. Thank you, Sis Naya. Amazing from Sis Naya ya. Good.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Okay, the next, Bro Trisakti Agus. What about you, bro? Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Hey,
It's
okay.
ready, Bro Trisakti Agus.
Inshallah.
Time is yours. Good luck, bro.
Okay, thank you very much. My name is Trisakti Agus. I want to tell about a tip or trick to achieve your dream. As we know, recently the competition to get job with decent salary has become tighter. This is different when I just graduated from university. The competition was not as tight as it is now. Therefore, I would like to share some tip and trick to help you achieve your dream with enough money. The first, I think you must set a specific goal. It's mean, for example, my dream, it's become a mechanical engineer. So I choose my specific dream. In maybe I write in the book. So we know about that. I know about that. The second is I create the detailed plan. Yeah. For example, I must if we want to be a mechanical engineer, so I must study at university with a major mechanical. So how to study at university? Of course, I must pass the exam UMPTN, yeah, like that. And the third is about learn and improve. We know about we all of us have a skill and knowledge, so we must know about that. And the fourth is you must stay focused and disciplined. Yeah. I think you must develop your daily habit that support your goal achievement. And the fifth is find communities or mentor who has a similar interest. For example, as we know, we study, we want to practice English and we want to our English fluently, we must join to a speaking partner and we must practice our English and have community that share about English and suggest us how to speak English very fluently and something like that. Yeah. And the sixth is I think be grateful and enjoy the process. I think you must appreciate every small step you achieve. And the eighth, that is very important. You must pray to Allah, and I think hopefully it can help all of you. I think enough for me. Thank you very much.
That's amazing, bro. Trisakti Agus, yeah. I think that's very good. You used your good opening or ice breaking, yeah, for the first. You stated that reaching or achieving dream is something hard, and you told about your experience. I mean, yeah, it's beyond, yeah, beyond my expectation, and yeah, you did it. Thank you, bro. Trisakti Agus, yeah. I think
Thank
so
you.
far, no correction, yeah, and then you used good grammar or grammatical rules too. But maybe just one question, yeah, bro Trisakti Agus. You said that achieving dream is something, sorry, achieving dream is not easy, yeah, based on your opening, right? Because you
Yes,
took,
right.
but what do you think now in your position now? Have you reached your dream or
Yes, I reached at I'm in 48. I
48?
reached, yes.
Okay. Can we know what's
At
your
40,
dream?
sorry. I reached at 42, yeah. My
42.
dream. But no, I'm 44 years old.
Oh, 2 years ago.
Yes.
Okay. Can we know what's your dream?
I want to be a mechanical engineer, yeah. So
And
I think we can go abroad with this majority, I think.
and English is very important inside.
Yeah. So maybe like that, yeah.
Thank
So
you, bro. Trisakti Agus.
thank you.
That's amazing from you. You can see this, guys, ya. Ini bukan koreksian, lebih ke tambahan ya buat teman-teman semuanya. Jadi, Bro Trisakti Agus tadi pakai be di sini, ya. Grateful itu kan artinya bersyukur.
Yeah.
Jadi, bersyukurlah gitu tuh. Karena ini bukan kata kerja, ya kita kasih kata be ya. Jadi, be grateful. Nah, kalau yang atas ini karena develop itu kata kerja, jadi kita nggak perlu tambahkan be. Bukan be develop gitu, bukan, tapi develop daily habit ya. Jadi kembangkan kebiasaanmu di setiap harimu gitu ya. Tapi kalau yang ini, nah ini kan bukan kata kerja, jadi harus pakai be. Contoh lain misalnya bersenanglah gitu ya. Itu karena senang itu bukan kata kerja, jadi happy
Be
apa
happy.
guys. Coba semuanya nih dia nyalakan suaranya. Karena happy bukan kata kerja, happy atau be
Tenang.
happy?
Kata sifat. Kata sifat, bro.
Ya, sorry, iya, karena happy bukan kata kerja, berarti harusnya happy atau be happy.
Be happy.
Be happy. Be happy.
Nah, itu dia ya. Jadi ini bisa teman-teman ambil, bisa teman-teman catat ya, bahwasanya kalau bukan kata kerja kasih be di depan. Thank you, Bro Trisakti Agus ya. We got
Thank you.
a lot of insights. Yep. The next, I want to move to Sis Maria Magdalena Iis Suyitno. Hello, sister.
Hello, bro.
Sis Maria, did we talk?
Sorry?
Did we talk? Did we?
Oh yeah, yes. This
That's you.
this morning.
Oh ya, this morning ya. Oh, Maria yang
Yeah,
tadi.
it was
I
me.
see, I see. Okay, okay. Okay, Sis Maria, it's your turn. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
Time's yours.
Hello. I am Maria. Today I'm going to tell you about how to learn English quickly. First, of course, if you don't know about how to speak, you have to know about the vocabularies. And my opinion, you have to memorize at least 20 vocabularies in a day. Just memorize till you already memorized. You can try to make or write some sentences from the vocabularies that you have already found. Then, second, after you have already memorized about the vocabularies, you have to try to speak. It means you have to practice every day, all the time. If you have time, you have to speak. And how do we speak if we don't have any partners to speak? I think, in my opinion, whatever you do, you have to speak English. It's like when you are at home, you can speak to yourself using English. As like, now I open my refrigerator, I take my mango, and then I want to peel it. Then today I'm going to make some juice. Yeah, just speak all the time. You have to try to speak, even you don't have any fluencies in English, or maybe your accent is not really good. You are from Japanese, you are from, yeah, whatever. You have to try to speak because some people understand English, but they can't speak. So that's why we have to practice for speaking. And the third, if you have already built your confidence to speak, you have to learn about grammar. Because, yeah, it's like when we want to make our hair beauty, we have to make our speaking smooth, right? It's like grammar make it perfect. I think that's all. Thank you, Mr. Bro Coco.
Thank you, Sis Maria. That's good from you, yeah. I think excellent, not only good. Sis Maria, you said that speaking first and then grammar will follow, right?
Yep, that's true. Even last time when I learned in Kampung English, I just say to my tutor, I said, Mister, I join you class. No, because I sick. Sorry, I can't. But yeah, maybe some people laugh, but it's okay because we still learning.
Good. Yeah, good. The main point is the point itself, right?
Yep,
Okay.
that's true.
Maria means that you are an alumnus of Kampung Inggris.
Yep,
Oke, good ya. Sis Maria adalah salah satu alumni ya dari Kampung Inggris. Offline classes, right?
yeah,
Good.
a year.
Okay. How long, Sis Maria? Can we know? Did you?
I spent there for a year. When I passed from senior high school, I didn't join in the university directly, but I spent
Yeah.
there for a year, and then in the next year I continue my study in Surabaya.
I see. Good. So you spent your time for learning English in Kampung Inggris ya? Good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sis Maria ya. Good. I think no correction from me to you. You did it. and you're right ya, when we don't have any partner, we can try to speak to ourselves about something. Jadi ketika nggak punya teman berbicara pakai bahasa Inggris, kita bisa berbicara sendiri ya. Sis Maria juga melakukan, saya pun juga melakukan. You know guys, the crazy thing that I did is, because I'm football lover, saya ini suka banget sama sepak bola ya. Nah, jadi saya bayangkan the crazy thing that was ya. Saya dulu tuh membayangkan bahwasanya saya tuh lagi konferensi pers gitu ya. Nah, itu paling saya suka tuh. Jadi ada wartawan seakan-akan kayak nanya ke saya ya, what do you think about Spain misalnya? Gimana menurutmu Spanyol nih? You will against Spain. What do you feel? What do you think? Nah, saya bilang, I feel Spain is a good team, but our team is blah blah blah. Nah, that's the crazy thing ya. Itu sesuatu yang gila ya. Padahal kita kan nggak ada di kondisi itu, tapi kita ya niat kita adalah berlatih berbahasa Inggris. Nah, so if you learn about something, you have to be ready to be crazy on that thing. Oke? Ketika belajar sesuatu ya harus siap gila dengan sesuatu itu ya. Thank you. We get something from you, sis Maria. Yeah. Thank you so much. And then the next one I want to move to bro Javier. Hello, bro. Good evening.
Hello,
Bro, ready for presenting your tips or trick?
I'm ready.
Time is yours. Good luck, bro.
Okay. Hello, I am Javier. I'm from Sidoarjo. My age is 14 years. Today, I'm going to tell you about how to stay motivated to study. I have I have 6 tips for you. First, set small, achievable goals every day. Second, create a study schedule and stick to it. Third, take short breaks to avoid burnout. Fourth, reward yourself after completing tests. Fifth, study with friends or in a group. Sixth, visualize your success to stay inspired. That's all from me, Bro Coco. Thank you.
Thank you, bro Javier. Yeah, good. How to stay motivated to study? Okay. Bro, can I ask, what is
Yes,
your favorite lesson? What is your favorite subject? Do you like English? Do you like math? Science?
math.
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 Oh, good. What about English? Do you really like English or not really?
I'm really like.
Really like English too. Okay. Do you speak English in your daily life?
No,
Bahasa Inggris? No?
no.
No, okay, good. Okay, yeah. So I think you just need to improve it by reading first, yeah. Bro Javier, I think no correction, all is good, but my suggestion, Bro Javier, you should read more. Harus banyak baca lagi biar terbiasa lagi, itu aja. Tapi selain itu tadi grammar sudah oke, cuman di pronunciation beberapa kata harus lebih sering biar terbiasa. Oke, Bro Javier?
Thank you.
You're welcome, bro. That's good ya. That same as me. Saya juga masih belajar, guys. Jadi saya pun juga ada sedikit kelemahan di listening. Nah, saya jelaskan juga ya, bahwasanya mungkin teman-teman ada yang mungkin sama ya. Kelemahannya ada di listening juga. Jadi saya coba cari video-video atau musik yang mungkin saya kesulitan gitu ya. Nah, saya dengerin terus gitu ya. Podcast saya dengerin terus. Nah, like that one. Oke, sampai kita terbiasa. Thank you, bro Javier ya. Good.
You're welcome.
And then next, Sis Triani for the next one. Hello, Sis Triani.
Halo,
Sister, are you ready for this?
ready insyaallah.
Inshallah, good. Time is yours. Good luck.
Boleh jadiin co-host, Kak?
Sorry?
Boleh jadiin co-host. I
You
want
wanna,
to
you wanna
share.
share screen?
Boleh dijadiin host, mau share screen.
You can share screen now. You can
Oh,
share.
iya.
Can you? Okay. Yes, you are sharing screen, yeah, for now. Okay, good. Oh,
Good evening, partners. Today I am going to tell you about relation emotion. I think everyone some problems, yeah, but we have the right to be happy. Okay, I tell about tips for releasing emotion and coping with stress in that edition. Okay, tough steps to releasing emotion, but today I want to step. Number one, first, first, take a deep breath. Feeling stress, stop and take a deep breath. I think we can together. We are together to practice take a deep breath. Okay? Okay, ya. Kita coba ya. You take a deep breath with your nose. Let's go slowly with your mouth. It is practice in 3 times. Okay? Kita mulai apa ya?
yeah, let's start. Let's
Yes,
start.
start. Yes, start. Okay. Loh. Oh, nggak ada musiknya. Tadi saya desain musik sih. Ada ya. Oke. Oh, nggak apa-apa, wes. Langsung yuk kita mulai tarik nafas 3 kali. Oh
Okay.
ya, ada ya. Oke. Tarik nafas dengan hidung. Let's go slowly with your mouth. Take that with your breath. Let's go slowly with your mouth. Okay. Take a deep breath your nose. Let's go slowly with your mouth. What your feel?
Feeling fresh, feeling good.
Okay, thanks very much. It is a simple way to calm down and reset your mind. Jadi ini adalah sederhana, namun banyak orang yang tidak melakukannya. Semoga di sini teman-teman bisa melakukannya minimal pagi hari mengambil 3 kali. I think itu very good for your mind, for your brain, for your body. Second, talk it out. Don't keep everything inside. You can talk to a friend or family member who listen. Can be your father and your mother. You believe them are with me. That's for that's all for me. Thanks.
Thank you, Sis Triani. Yeah, you prepared well. Yeah, you made a PowerPoint that's very good, and thank you so much. Sis Triani, a bit correction ya, sedikit aja correction dari saya. Ketika tadi Sis Triani bilang take a breathe or take a breath. Nah, itu ya. Jadi kalau breath, nafas, nah itu bacanya adalah breath ya, bukan breathe. Kalau yang ini, yang atas, itu breath. Artinya adalah nafas. Jadi kalau tarik nafas ya take a breath gitu ya. Take a breath. Tapi kalau breathe itu adalah bernafas. Nah, bernafas itu berarti kata kerja. Oke. Kemudian
Take a deep breath. Tarik nafas yang dalam. Take a breath.
Kalau ini take a deep breath gitu ya.
Okay.
Dan breathe later ya. Kemudian cara baca ada cara gitu ya. Cara itu way bukan why tapi way ya. Way. Way. Oke. Sama satu lagi, I think itu very good. Nah, itunya ini masih Indonesia ya. I think it is very good. Like that one. Oke, Sistriani?
Oke.
Good ya. It's okay guys ya. Jadi kita campur-campur dulu nggak apa-apa. It's very okay. Jadi buat teman-teman, kalau teman-teman tahu Singlish, do you know Singlish guys? Singlish. Kan ada English, ada Singlish. Singlish itu Singaporean English. Nah, bahasa Inggrisnya orang-orang Singapura ya. Mereka itu suka ngasih kata lah di belakang. You know lah gitu. Nah, itu ya. Padahal kan lah itu bukan bahasa Inggris, tapi ya karena habit ya, karena kebiasaan. Ini sesuatu yang bukan kesalahan besar ya, it's not a big deal. Tapi ya kita bisa hilangkan ketika kita berbicara berbahasa Inggris. Nah, gimana caranya? Ya harus terbiasa like that one. Oke? Kalau saya dulu kalimat saya adalah bagus ya, misalnya saya bilang gitu. Pertama-tama saya belajar bahasa Inggris itu saya bilangnya bagus itu good, ya itu kan yes. Good yes gitu. Saya masih ingat banget ya. Tapi yang penting saya ngomong aja gitu. Good yes. Nah. What do you mean bro? Apa nih maksudnya? Good yes. Nah. Padahal bagus ya itu bukan good yes tapi good right. Good right. Bagus kan? Sekali lagi ya, kembali ke Sis Maria juga tadi, yang penting berbicara dulu, berani dulu. Nanti kalau kita bicara, ada yang koreksi, nah itu next step ya teman-teman. Tidak akan mengulang sesuatu yang mungkin kurang tepat. Like that. Tapi kalau teman-teman tidak berbicara, kita nggak tahu nih yang mana yang harus dikoreksi. Thank you Sis Triani ya, thank you so much, you prepared well too. Okay, good. Now ya, I will make you speak up, all of you. Semuanya harus berbicara, semuanya harus praktek ya. But your practicing today is around 10 minutes only. Waktu teman-teman praktek hari ini hanya 10 menit saja, bahkan bisa jadi kurang ya. Silahkan dipraktekkan di breakout room yang sudah praktek maupun yang belum praktek. Bagi teman-teman yang sudah praktek mungkin boleh dikasih space dulu atau waktu dulu ke teman-teman yang belum ya. Nanti baru ke teman-teman yang sudah tadi. Silahkan dipraktekkan lagi. Please for all of you guys, don't forget ya, after you finish you can close. Ditutup setelah selesai. Jadi biar nggak saling nunggu ya. That's all from me. Thank you. Okay, you have time around 10 minutes. After that, we will go back here. Kita akan kembali lagi ke sini. Dan kita akan review materi ya. Silahkan kalau ada pertanyaan tentang materi kita selama 1 bulan ini. Atau mungkin pertanyaan tentang next class juga boleh. Kalau emang benar-benar mentok sudah selesai, sudah paham semua tentang materi kita. Ready for this? Sudah siap teman-teman?
Ready.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's go. This is the last breakout room and just 10 minutes or less than it. 10 atau kurang dari 10 menitan ya. Kita akan kembali lagi secara otomatis ke sini. So do the best. Have a nice practicing. Have a nice presentation and good luck to all of you. See you guys.
Halo guys. Halo, halo, halo. Halo Bro Kevin. Halo Bro. Anybody? You can hear me, guys. My connection is so bad. So you can hear me?
Yes, Miss Louis. My
Oh,
connection is
my, so bad.
bad.
My connection is so bad. I Sis L, do you want to try the first?
Tadi kan ini ketinggalan tuh karena kan jaringannya jelek. Tadi ngapain ya?
Tadi tuh kita semalam nggak masuk.
Malah masuk, cuman nggak tahu. Maksudnya ini suruh ngapain sekarang?
Kita disuruh kasih tip and trick gitu.
Oh, masih sama ya?
Do you have tips and trick yang unik? Bro Kevin?
Unik.
Anything?
Oke, I try ya. Ini udah dibuat
Okay.
sih.
Oh, udah dibuat.
Hi, hello, I'm Ella. Today I'm going to tell about how to make tubruk coffee. This is original tradition from Indonesia. This is originated from Java Island. Tubruk coffee is usually made by brewing and often from local beans like Java, Bali, or Sumatra coffee. Directly with hot water without filtering. Sugar is often added to taste. And caffeine grounds and left to settle at the cup. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Louis.
Sis sis Wanri ya atau Bro Wanri Garingging. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Halo.
Hello, bro. Hello, sis. Have you finished all?
Already.
Finish ya,
Bro.
finally guys ya. Okay, good guys. So that's the activity ya. For today, you were asked to make tips or trick, and then today you have to present the tips or trick, and you did it everybody. Teman-teman sudah melakukannya ya. Thank you so much. Even on a breakout room ya, some of you walaupun beberapa ada di breakout room tadi, but ya all of you have done ya, semuanya sudah melakukannya. Thank you guys, yeah. Thank you so much. That's all. That's the activity that we have on our last meeting. Ini aktivitas kita di pertemuan terakhir kita ya. So it is a training for you before you are going to the second level. Silakan guys, sekarang kita review materi ini. Barangkali ada teman-teman yang masih bingung ya tentang materi yang sudah kita pelajari di basic one. Atau mungkin ada pertanyaan tentang kelas lanjutan, atau mungkin bahasa Inggris secara keseluruhan boleh. Silakan diangkat tangannya, apa pertanyaannya, dan kita sikapi sama-sama. Come on guys, if you have. Come on if you have ya. Barangkali ada yang masih bingung nih tentang materi kita ya. Atau mungkin, bro saya pengen lanjut ke level kedua, tapi saya pengen tahu gitu ya di level 2 ngapain atau apa. Silakan guys, if you have. Okay. Yeah, bro Aji, you wanna ask something?
I have question. I have asked.
Yeah,
Bro,
bro.
do you learning English in the basic too?
Me?
Yes.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But for the next, I don't know yet. Jadi bisa jadi nanti ketemu saya lagi ya di basic 2, tapi bisa jadi nanti tidak gitu. Jadi kenapa saya nggak bisa janji ya? Karena nanti jika nih misalnya ada teman dari kelas ini atau kelas yang lain itu request saya jadi tutor private, nah saya harus sama teman tersebut gitu ya. Jadi saya nggak bisa handle basic 2. Jadi saya harus pindah ke private gitu ya. Tapi kalau misalnya nggak ada yang minta private ya, atau mungkin kita ada kesepakatan sister atau brother mungkin bisa private tapi nggak minggu ini ya, nah mungkin next, nah itu bisa ya, berarti kita satu kelas lagi bisa gitu ya. Jadi nanti saya ikut plottingan kelas dari teman-teman manajemen baik teman gitu, bro Aji ya.
Oke bro, thank you.
Oke, pokoknya nanti kalau sama partner yang lain do the best ya, give the best. Tapi pokoknya kalau ketemu saya lagi jangan bosan aja ya, don't be bored because of me. Oke, come
But
on, any else?
I know, bro. I
Yeah.
know my author in the basic too. Do you know Bro Yahya?
Bro Yahya, Oh, you are with Bro Yahya?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you know, bro?
What?
How do you know? Taunya gimana? Dari grupnya sudah ada nama
Yes.
Bro Yahya? Oh, I see. Okay.
I join in my class basic too.
Bro Yahya's grup ya, berarti sudah ada nama.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Ya, berarti nanti sama Bro Yahya ya. Tapi belum tentu semuanya nanti sama Bro Yahya ya. Bisa jadi nanti berpencar gitu ya. Tergantung teman-teman ya. Kalau teman-teman misalnya daftarnya bareng bisa satu kelas lagi. Tapi kalau misalnya nggak sama, ya bisa masuk kelas yang berbeda. Tapi sama-sama basic 2 ya, of course. Okay? Because in speaking partner, hundreds classes guys. Di speaking partner nih, ratusan kelas ya. Jadi kadang-kadang saya juga bingung nih, sebanyak ini gitu ya. So I think, ya you can imagine ya, satu kelas saja kita di awal berapa orang gitu. Berapa kali dan so I think so many ya. Makanya saya belum bisa janji kita bisa satu kelas lagi atau tidak. Oke ya. Any else? Ada lagi? Bro and sis?
Kita itu sampai 100 loh. Ini kok jadi 20-an ya?
Means you are the best ones. Nah, itu ya. Berarti teman-teman terbaik nih di sini ya. Oke. Ya, karena yang paling sulit ketika belajar sesuatu adalah konsistensi ya. Like that one guys ya. Bukannya saya judging teman-teman yang nggak ikut kelas di sini, tidak ya. Tapi konsisten itu sulit. Saya sendiri juga merasakan ya. Jadi ya pasti kita semua punya kesibukan ya guys. I have ever met someone, saya pernah ketemu seseorang yang beliau nih ngeyel banget untuk bisa bahasa Inggris, tapi ketika ada kelas nggak pernah ikut kelas. Nah, saya bingung ya, gimana bro, tapi saya pengen banget bisa bahasa Inggris. Ya, tapi saya nggak punya waktu bro. Akhirnya saya tetap bilang ya bro, if you wanna do something, you have to give the time for it. If you wanna eat something, you have to take your time for eating. Kan kita kalau pengen makan, pengen kenyang ya kita harus sisihkan beberapa menit untuk makan gitu ya, untuk nelen kan gitu ya. Kalau kita nggak nyisihkan waktu ya kapan kita makannya. Sama aja kayak belajar ya, kalau kita pengen bisa bahasa Inggris ya harus berbicara belajar bahasa Inggris. Kalau nggak ada belajarnya gimana bisa gitu kan. So please buat teman-teman yang ada di sini nih ada 20 ya, round 20, 19, 20, 21 ya hari ini. Thank you, you are the best guys ya. I say that you are the best ones. Oke, good. Ya, I'm happy guys ya, I'm happy. Kadang-kadang saya juga menemui ya satu grup ketika pertemuan ke-20, dari berapa 100 lebih ya, hanya 7 yang ikut, like oh my god gitu ya. Wah, itu untung aja nggak satu ya, kalau satu jadi private ya. Oke. Ya, tapi nggak apa-apa, saya mengetahui teman-teman pasti banyak yang sibuk juga ya. It's okay, no problem. It's okay. I can understand ya, I can relate. Saya bisa memahami. Oke, any else? Ada lagi guys? Please. No one? Is it clear guys? Oh, oke, Bro Aji Surya. You raise your hand again.
Bro,
Mhm.
di basic 2 itu grammar yang bakal keluar tuh apa aja, Bro?
Oke, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 kita akan pelajari di sana ya. Kata kerja bentuk pertama, kedua, ketiga. And then you will learn idiom. Teman-teman akan belajar yang namanya idiom ya. Idiom itu apa guys? Do you know?
Kata
Kiasan.
yang tidak sesuai dengan katanya. Punya
Nah,
kiasan.
ya kiasan ya, kiasan. Kita akan belajar kalimat kiasan. Kadang-kadang kalau kita nonton film ya, aduh ini apa sih artinya kayak gitu ya. Saya di kelas nih nggak belajar ini gitu. Kok ini ada kalimat yang seperti ini. Itu bisa jadi kalimat kiasan ya. Nah, kita akan belajar idiom kiasan di basic 2. Akan belajar itu ya, banyak. And then what else? Videos. Kita belajar dari video, banyak banget video yang akan kita tonton di basic 2. Oke. Listening juga ya. Kita belajar listening, mendengarkan lagi. Conditional sentence, kalimat pengandaian. Di basic 1 sempat saya singgung ya kalimat pengandaian sedikit, tapi di basic 2 lebih detail lagi. Nah, jadi bukan hanya materi per meeting ya yang nyambung, tapi per level itu nyambung. Jadi buat teman-teman, saya harapkan lanjutlah ya ke basic 2. Oke? Oke, Sis Maria, you wanna say something?
Yeah, how many levels in speaking partner?
Basic, intermediate, advance. Gitu. Tapi basic ada 2 ya, basic 1, basic 2, and then intermediate 1, intermediate 2, intermediate 3. Advance itu yang kita sudah nggak pakai bahasa Indonesia sama sekali ya. Jadi kita pakai bahasa
Okay.
Inggris full. Advance 1, Advance 2, Advance 3, nah, and so on. Nanti kalau lanjut lagi ke kelas TOEFL, ke kelas IELTS, nah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I think but I'm going to join the next level maybe on January.
It's fine. Okay, or at least you can contact the admin first to be booked ya. Nanti kontak admin dulu aja, tanya dulu kira-kira Januari yang teman-teman bisa di tanggal berapa biar segera dijadwalkan. Karena sekali lagi kalau sudah full kuotanya akan tertunda 1-2 minggu kan sayang ya. Tapi saya harapkan bagi yang misalnya pengen lanjut langsung segera hari ini ya, karena besok nih udah Sabtu, di mana Sabtu biasanya kuotanya udah full ya. Teman-teman tetap bisa lanjut tapi biasanya tertunda 1 minggu. Jadi daripada kayak gitu. Oke. Atau saya pindah ya, saya pindahkan bagi teman-teman yang mungkin merasa masih ada yang bingung, you can consult everything guys, silakan konsultasi apapun itu ya. Tidak hanya tentang materi aja, barangkali teman-teman ada kesulitan berbahasa Inggris. Sekalipun misal nih nanti kita tidak satu level lagi, teman-teman boleh nanya ke saya. It's free everybody ya. Jadi saya juga bisa keep in touch ya, tetap berhubungan dengan teman-teman semua. Oke dan gitu ya guys. Nanti ada apa-apa langsung kontak saya. Please contact me personally, it's fine. And I'm really happy to be with you for 1 month. I hope you can do your best for the next level. I hope that you can be the master of English for the next time ya. Okay. Thank you brothers. Thank you sisters. Thank you for everything. See you,
Thank you, bro.
next time ya.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
bro.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, bro.
I love you so much
Salam
guys. See
warahmatullahi
you.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you all.
Thank you.